Beach Kennel and Loft. I just kicked off the breeding season. I got all the birds paired up this morning, and they're doing pretty well. A couple of them have already mated. You can see this pair here is all paired up, these black eagles. And this pair's getting along fine. Actually real good. These are having a little bit of a hard time. This is a muleman and a black eagle because all I have is 2 male mulemans, and I had plenty of female black eagles, so I'm crossing those, which is pretty cool. This pair looks like they're doing all right. That's a Husky Van Riel, and that's a Jensen hen. And let's see, I just tried to pair up birds that weren't, you know, they kind of complemented each other. Like that's a large male with a small hen, and did that. And this is a Jensen and a Husky Van Riel. They're all looking real good. This Rocky Ridge White Racer and a blue bar that I have no idea what strain it is, but it doesn't matter. She's a good hen, 2019 hen that produced a lot of babies for me in 2020. And this guy here is looking real good. Looks like they're getting along fine. Nobody's interested in eating or drinking, so that's a good thing. This pair of Morvits have already mated a couple times. They mated within 1 minute after I put them in because they're a mated pair. They produced a lot of babies last season for Greg at GBJ Lofts. That's where I got them. Beautiful birds. And this is the other pair of Morvits. That's a mated pair as well, so they probably mated already as well. And this pair is not really, this is a total cross, black and white. That's a Rocky Ridge Racer and a Black Eagle. That's an experiment. I had an extra box here, so I'm using it for that, and that ought to be fun to see what they produce. A couple of Husky Van Riels. Looks like they're getting along. This one is half white and half blue bar. That other blue bar that I showed you, I didn't know the strain of. That's its mother, and its father was a pure white, and that's a Husky Van Riel. So we'll see what they produce. And here's my other muleman, and I got him crossed up with a Jensen because, again, I had too many females, and anyway, I had no mate for that muleman, so I picked a small hen because he's on the large side, so I want to kind of cut down on the size. Hopefully that'll work. And they're not getting, she's not receptive at all right now. She just keeps running from him, and I may have to separate them for a little while. We'll see what happens. And these guys look like they're doing good. I forget if those are both Jensens or what, but they're looking real good. So everything's going good. Just thought I'd show the breeding setup. Put some pine straw in there. See if that would. Nobody seems interested in that whatsoever. It was really active in here. The second I paired them up, it was like you couldn't even hear yourself think. There was so much cooing and going on and whatnot. But things are calmed down a little bit now. So I'll keep you updated. I have a little bit of footage of when I first put them together, so I'll stick that in right here. There you have it. That was under 1 minute. That's how well an established pair can do.